can make your own stickers using any kind of picture. You can use pictures from magazines, pictures that you draw yourself, pictures that you print out, or even photographs. This is just a jug of chocolate milk that I used from a Hy-Vee magazine. It's got some really good food photos. When you're cutting, it's really important to do some professional looking cutting so it looks like a good sticker. So I like to open up the scissors really wide and use the largest part of the scissors to do most of the cutting, and as you can see, I'm turning the sticker with me. I just use parchment paper and packing tape to make my stickers. You're going to cut off just a little bit of parchment paper. Don't use the center, use the edge and just the smallest amount. Then you're going to take a piece of packing tape and put it sticky side down on the parchment paper. Next, take your image, place it on top of the packing tape. Then to keep it in place, you're going to put another piece of packing tape on there. Again, the sticky side down. And to prevent air bubbles, I curve it a little bit and put the center of it down first and then kind of roll it out on the top and the bottom. Really press it down to make sure that that is stuck and there's no air bubbles. Now when you cut this out again, you're going to need to make sure to leave a little bit of an edge so that the top part of the packing tape sticks to the bottom part. You cannot cut straight next to the paper because the image will fall out. So the top edge and the bottom edge need to be held together by that little bit of extra that I'm leaving to kind of seal your picture. Again, make sure you do a good job of cutting. When you're ready to use it as a sticker, just peel off the parchment paper and then you can stick it wherever you want. Here's some other ideas. These are just things that I printed off from the internet using some free clip art and just some outlines. You can color them yourself using markers or colored pencils and then cut them out and make them into stickers. I also like to use magazines and make collage stickers and cut out several different things, like putting dog heads on human bodies is always fun. Again, I'm using the same process. Make sure that when you cut it out leaving a little bit of extra on the edge so that the picture doesn't fall out in the middle, and that's what seals the top to the bottom of the packing tape. I decided this sticker needs to go on the container that holds my pencil shavings. The best kind of stickers are the stickers that you draw yourself. This is a handmade drawing by Rose Bennett. She cut it out and colored it, and now we're going to turn it into a sticker. So you are strongly encouraged to create your own stickers, things that you come up with all by yourself and draw them originally, color them. But of course, things from magazines and things from the internet are fun too. Thanks for watching.